Hi everybody, Dan here at my CRM Manager. I've got another video for you today about Gratrix's GUMU Sage 100 to Sage CRM integration, also known as the Advanced Integration. So a lot of these projects we're using CRM as an order processing system, but that's not what this video is about. Additionally, under the View ERP tab for a customer, we can see all kinds of things, including AR invoices, but all kinds of key measurements. That's not what this video is about either. In this video, I wanted to return to the key summary or key statistics that we see on the company summary screen. We've always had these statistics and they keep evolving. And last year we introduced this rolling 12. You'll see it highlighted on my screen over here. But one of our accounts asked us, and that's how the system keeps getting better, feedback from clients. They said, well, really, we want to know what we've done with this account over the course of the past 5 years. So now we have this. We don't just have the rolling 12, we've got the rolling 24, 36, and 60. Any of these fields can be planted throughout the system. So if I wanted to see them in my customer list or anywhere, I'd know how significant they are to me in the company. So thought this was an advancement, kind of a minor thing, but it's always advancing. If you have any questions, please ask. Thanks for watching.